Water is essential for life. We drink it, cook with it, and use it to grow our food. But water can also be a source of pollution. Wastewater is any water that has been used and contaminated. This includes sewage, industrial effluent, and runoff from streets and farms. If wastewater is not properly treated, it can pollute our rivers, lakes, and oceans. This pollution can harm wildlife and make people sick. Sustainable wastewater management is crucial for protecting our environment and public health. It's about treating wastewater effectively and efficiently. It's also about using treated wastewater safely. We can use it for irrigation or industrial purposes. By managing wastewater sustainably, we can conserve our precious water resources. This helps ensure a healthy planet for future generations. Wastewater management is a global challenge, but it is particularly important in developing countries. Many developing countries lack the infrastructure to treat wastewater properly. This can lead to serious health problems, especially for children. Sustainable wastewater management is essential for achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. One of these goals is to ensure access to safe and affordable water and sanitation for all by 2030. Section 2. Characteristics of wastewater. Wastewater is a complex mixture. It contains various pollutants. Understanding these pollutants is crucial for effective treatment. We can classify wastewater characteristics into three main categories: physical, chemical, and biological. Physical characteristics are those we can see and measure. These include things like turbidity, which is the cloudiness of the water. Wastewater often carries suspended solids. These are small particles of organic and inorganic matter. Temperature is another important factor. It influences the rates of chemical and biological reactions in the water. Chemical characteristics refer to the dissolved substances in wastewater. These include organic compounds, nutrients, and heavy metals. Biochemical oxygen demand, or BOD, is a key indicator of organic pollution. It measures how much oxygen microorganisms need to break down organic matter. Another important parameter is chemical oxygen demand, or COD. This measures the oxygen needed to oxidize all pollutants, both organic and inorganic. High levels of nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus can lead to eutrophication. This is a process that depletes oxygen in water bodies and harms aquatic life. Biological characteristics focus on the living organisms present in wastewater. These include bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and helminths. Some of these microorganisms are pathogenic, meaning they can cause diseases. Understanding the types and quantities of these microorganisms is vital for designing effective disinfection processes. These processes ensure that treated wastewater is safe for reuse or discharge into the environment.